6 good reasons to drink beetroot juice today. A glass of beetroot juice helps in getting you all the vitamins and minerals. It is low in fat, full of powerful antioxidants, rich in vitamin C. Pink root is sweet, the dark green leaves are bitter but nutritious. One of the benefits of beetroot juice can help in temporarily lowering high blood pressure. Researchers have attributed this to the presence of nitrates in beets. The naturally occurring nitrates increase nitric oxide found in the blood vessels, which allow more oxygen to flow to your brain, heart and muscles, and thus, lowering high blood pressure. Gives you glowing skin. If you're healthy from within, it reflects on the outside. Beetroot juice acts a great blood purifier, which is key in keeping your skin glowing and healthy. Beetroots are also rich in vitamin C, which helps in clearing blemishes and evens out your skin tone while giving it a natural glow. A great way to detox naturally. For long, beetroot has been known as the liver protective food. It is a great liver cleanser and helps in flushing out all the toxins. Boosts energy and stamina. Beetroot has been often promoted as a great workout drink and good for athletes as it increases the flow of oxygen to the muscles, preparing them for the stress ahead. Beetroot juice with its pulp is full of fiber, which helps in regulative your digestive processes and also relieves constipation. A glass of beetroot juice is also a great home remedy for an upset stomach. Lowers blood glucose. Though high in sugar, beetroot actually helps in regulating your blood sugar levels. The natural sugars in beetroot are released very slowly in the body and thus prevent sudden spikes. In the form of the juice, it may actually help diabetics. If you are convinced to drink beetroot juice today, hit thumbs up and subscribe.